I have waited so long for Apple to update the 16-inch MacBook Pro with Apple Silicon. And they finally did, and it finally just arrived. So I'm so excited to dive into this box. So when I first ordered this, it said I would receive this in, oh, what a presentation. Wow. Wow. I know Apple's good with packaging, but wow. But yeah, as I said, oh, okay, this is actually quite heavy. I'm surprised. So when I first ordered this, 40 minutes after the pre-orders opened, it said that I will get it in December, but hey, it arrived way earlier than I really expected. So it's the base model MacBook Pro 16-inch with the M1 Max with 32 GPU cores. That means it also has a 10-core CPU and 16-core neural engine. It also has a 512 gig SSD, which I'm sort of regretting not getting with the 1 terabyte option, since I would probably have gotten it sooner as well. So, oh, come on, come on, come on. Wow. I'm actually still surprised at how big this is. I've never owned a 16-inch MacBook Pro. The previous MacBook I owned was a late 2013 13-inch MacBook Pro with the base spec, so it was just horrible, it was slow, it couldn't update anymore, so I'm really excited to actually get this. Oh man, this is actually quite heavy. So let's just set this aside. Oh man, it's that heavy. We also have some documentations. Come on, get out. Yeah, the black Apple stickers. These only come with the Pro Max that they sell. So this is a really great sign that they really mean this is for pros. And that's another thing. If you're just a consumer, you're probably fine with a standard M1 chip, so the MacBook Air would probably serve you fine. We also have the power brick at 140 watts. It says I live in Europe and Norway. We don't have that flippy thing, and that really bugs me. We also get a braided MagSafe connector. That's also a thing I really missed with 2016 and later MacBook Pros, that the MagSafe was gone, but it's finally back. What a sound. And yeah, by the way, this is the Space Gray model, and oh man, that's cold. I'm way too excited for this one. Let's see when I open it. Ah, man, that looks good. If you have a chance, go to an Apple store and go to an authorized Apple retailer. Just check this out. This is amazing, man. Oh, wow. While I'm setting the MacBook up, I actually didn't notice the notch. I knew it was there, but man, I actually did not notice. So that's a great sign for me at least, that I didn't notice it right away. So other than the new design, what's new with these computers or Macs? Well, first of all, we have an HDMI 2 port. We also have 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, which some people are angry about, but I really don't care, because if you have a dongle, you have used one already, and if you're going to charge simultaneously, you basically have used 2 Thunderbolt ports up already. And now you can do all that, use the SDXC card slot and connect to an HDMI display as well as charging at the same time, and you still have 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports left. And the display is a mini LED display with XDR specs. That means 1600 peak brightness, 1000 nits sustained, and it should look really good, especially with HDR. So why did I choose this Mac? First of all, the 16-inch was just for the screen real estate, and I'm one of those that actually counts as a professional, since I do professional video work for a living, and then I need a powerful computer that can last me years and still have headroom to grow when working with heavier footage and codecs. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more tech related and Apple related videos, as well as more Mac videos if you're interested. And if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, and I will try to answer them as best as I possibly can. Also stay tuned for the review coming later as well. So thanks for watching, see you in the next one.